Welcome back. We got something new. Kevin's Natural Food Frozen Bowls. Not just a bowl, it's a frozen bowl. Um, Chicken Burrito Bowl. Kevin's Natural Foods is a new product to me. I have never seen them before. They are manufactured by Kevin's Natural Foods, Stockton, California. Well, no wonder this thing was so expensive. Um, yeah, we got a yeah. I don't even know where to begin on this one. Um, Chicken burrito bowl, chicken breast strips in a chipotle sauce with cheese, bell peppers, and brown rice. Mm, there was cheese in there, but you're supposed to stir it, and it pretty much all stuck to the fork as I was stirring it. A little on the watery side. You've already eaten, dog. This is dinner for me. I'm doing dinner alone tonight. Stop it. You've had food. Oh, let's see. I will put the back of the package up here. You can read the nutritional facts and ingredients. Stop, dog. 100% compostable bowl made from plant-based fibers. It has a cheese, green peppers, bell peppers, brown rice, chipotle sauce, sous vide chicken. Ooh, using fancy words. I prefer my chicken grilled, but if they're gonna sous vide it, so be it. Oh, they walked into that one. I am pairing this tonight with Burritos pineapple. I have had this before, and my God, that stuff is good. It's got a kick to it too. All right, I am going to try this. As you can very well see, I got a burrito here because bowls like this tend to end up in burritos for me. Let's see what we got. Let's first of all, we're going to find out whether this chipotle sauce is going to light me up or not. Mm-hmm. That got a little kick. So far, it's not bad. Yeah. Oh, all the cheese stuck to the side of the bowl. Ooh, crunchy cheese. Oh, let me have that crunchy cheese. Crunchy cheese. Mm. So far, it hasn't been too. Woo, that got a little kick. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. It's not real bad. Uh, this chunk of chicken right here is kind of weird looking. That that was weird. It kind of flapped when it hit the ground. I'm trying to find a small piece of chicken because I don't want no gigantic, huge chunk. I guess this one's just gonna have to do. The chicken's not bad. All right, let's do this. Since I mentioned it, that there was very little cheese in there, that all kind of got stuck on the fork, and I brought some more cheese. I don't have any Mexican blend cheese, so I just got sharp cheese. So I'm going off the rails of eating it straight out of the box. I have never been able to eat one of these burrito bowls straight out of the bowl. It's just weird to me. So we're gonna make it a true burrito here. If I can keep it from blowing apart on me here. Oh, is it gonna stay together? Yay! All right. Well, I didn't give the cheese long enough to melt, but let's go. Mm, that's the way to go. Well, these drinks are good. Ah, the color of these and the mandarin orange ones looks like something that came out of a nuclear test or something. Why are you trembling? Oh, shit. Oh, well. They're pretty good. Um, it's not bad. Actually, of the burrito bowl things I've had, it's one of the better ones. Um, like I said, I can't eat these things out of the bowl. I don't know what it is. I've never actually eaten one of these out of the bowl. I always make a burrito out of it, and yeah, it's good. I'd get it again. And with that, to the next video.